Hi everyone, and welcome back to this course where we learn Fusion 360 together. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join moving component like you can see here on my screen. So let's get right into it. Joining moving component is useful, especially when you want to put them together to see how they work. So I'm going to show you how you build this real quick. Let's start a new sketch here, and I'm going to choose this plane. What I did is I put a couple of circles. Let's do 30, and I need another circle, or I can just offset this one by, let's say, 5. And what I'm going to do, I am going to have another circle, and this one is going to be 29. So it can go inside the other one. I'm going to click Finish Sketch, and let me show you how this works. First, we need to extrude this and this. Let's go up by 30. That's good. Now I can show you how this works. We have two bodies, right? So first we have to go here and convert these bodies to components. So I'm going to right click, create component. I'm going to right click here, create another component. And now we can come under assembly. You can see there is joint. I'm going to click that. And then we get the joint property here. First, we can select the first body, and then we will select where this will go, which will be like inside here. So as you can see, Fusion 360 already knows to bring this inside, and you can see we can move it in and out. This is useful. Let's say you're designing a hinge, for example, or any moving part. Some of those print in place. I'm going to try to do a little bit more advanced after we get the basics done, but just wanted to show you how this works really quick. And yeah, if you're designing any moving parts or if you want to see how they fit together, this is a very useful tool. This is it for this one.